Right, so you've got your fresh pack. On the old one, it'll be threading through to the needles from the inside one, which is where you want it to start. Then you've got this one, which is on, that goes to the outside, so when it's finished it'll get to the last little piece around here, and then that'll be your outside string that'll pull through last. So what you want to do is connect your middle one off of your new Baler Twine and connect it to your outside of your fresh one that's sitting inside. And the way you want to do this, I'll pull it out, is what you want to do, make a cross out of it. Just make sure you guys can see what I'm doing here. Yeah, you can. You want to make a cross like this, and you want to go under, so then it's like that. Then you want to just do a knot like that, and then you want to pull the two ends like that. So and then all you got to do is just pull them tight. And then what I do is you do this, do that, sort of make it a bit better so then it don't get caught and goes through the knot. And that's pretty much it. You just do that, and then you save that for when you've got to put your next one on, and you put it back in the slot. Make sure it's all nice so it don't get tangled up. Like that. And then yeah, that's how you do it, and I'll show you again on the next one, demonstrating it. And that's how you put new string onto your knotters. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Peace.